Hey guys, it's me, Jennifer-Biana, and welcome back to my channel. And today we're doing one of my favorite videos ever to do, which is a haul. And I love hauls, and I have so many random things from random stores, but it's cool. They're all mad cute and mad interesting. So I am so excited because this is Ikea haul, which is interesting, but it's also a lot of like Marshalls, and I have Ulta, and I have a couple other things. So yeah, let's get with it. But first, I wanted to talk about this really cool company called the Peach Box. First of all, that name is already like adorable, the Peach Box, and they make luxury jewelry for not luxury prices. They are inexpensive for the quality you're getting, and you know, I love jewelry. I love jewelry. So I got so excited when they reached out to me because I looked on their website and it is so bougie. So I got a watch from the Peach Box. Look at my Ikea bag just here. Okay, you could leave for a little bit. We're not with you right now. So we got a watch from the Peach Box. We got a beautiful little bangle, and we have another little strap for a watch. So you could get different straps for different watches, and it's so cool that they let you like customize and combinationize. So with the watch, it does come in just a sleek matte black packaging. It says Mark Bale right here, and then you just there it is. So it's a sturdy box, so it won't get ruined in packaging. They have men watches and women watches, and yes, so it has a card, watch warranty, you're protected 24-month warranty. This is the watch that I chose, Rose Gold Beauty. Favorite part about this watch is the little crystals around it. I thought that was so unique and so precious. I'll obviously show way more close-ups, but look at this, and it is so beautiful. You could wear this to work. You could wear this on a Friday night out. It's so freaking cute. Oh my god. You could pair the watch with any different types of straps. I chose this strap because I wanted to stick with the pink theme as per usual. So this is another strap that I got, and I thought this was more cash, more fun, more everyday. I mean, I'm probably gonna do that every day because I'm extra. And then you could get a little bangle with the watch. I love that idea. I just love a bunch of things on your arm when you go out. It's just so pretty. So it comes like this in the Peach Box. And it comes in a little pouch. This box is actually really sturdy and cool. Okay, I shouldn't care about a box. I always do. I always notice little things about like packaging, and I'm like, ooh. So this is the bangle, and I chose this one because it matches the watch super well, and it has a little crystal in the center, which just adds a little bit of oomph. And I'm gonna show a lot more close-ups, but this is it. This is so heckin' precious. And the website will be here, and it will be in the description below, and you could use my coupon code for 15% off, JenniferBiana. So make sure to check them out because this is so cute. Anyways, let's get with the haul. So to start off, from Ikea, I was really surprised, but they had succulents for $3.99, which if you don't know, succulents are usually like kind of expensive. So I bought this cute little baby, my first ever plant for myself. I put it in this little white pot, so this was $3.99, and she's precious. And then I got another one, and I got a pot, but it doesn't fit the pot, so it's a little misplaced, but I have to cut the top though so that it fits. But I got this, and I'm gonna make sure to cut the top a little. But here is this one, and this one is adorable as well. And these succulents I'm gonna take with me to my first apartment, and things are gonna go well because they don't need much water, and I am irresponsible. That's the plant portion of this video. So I got myself this adorable set of pink bowls and plates and stuff. Oh my god, wait. I'm gonna throw that away for a sec. Look at this like cute pink plate. It was so simple. It was like literally like $2, and I got myself a big pink plate, and it's like that nice like light pink. It's not like hot pink. I'm not a fan of hot pink. I got this beautiful light pink bowl. my god, there's so much on here. This could never possibly break. A light pink bowl, so this is just a perfect bowl for some noodles. That's all I'm thinking about. I'm very hungry, but definitely a good bowl for some noodles, and it's just precious. Everyone in my apartment's gonna have white plates, but this is me being very extra and getting my own personalized pink plates. But these were all like $2. Like, it's very inexpensive, and Ikea's popping for having these colors, honestly. And then I got this little pink mug, even though I have enough mugs, honestly. But here is this pink mug, and it was like $1.99. It was so precious. This is to put on a table, I mean on a plate. This is to put on a plate, and this is so cute. I just got this little boring thing just to hold forks and knives and stuff, so that's that. That was like, this was 99 cents, so that's that. The last thing that I got from Ikea, I needed these little containers for makeup brushes and pens, so it came with 2 and it was like $2. So that was perfect, and they're just white, normal, big, very good, very good. I also went to FOREVER21 and bought like one thing, but I got this for $10. This is a rose gold like copper hanging mirror, and it is 13 by 17, and I was really surprised because this is pretty big and it was only $10 and from FOREVER21, and it was nice and like pretty decent quality. What? Because I never buy home decor stuff from FOREVER21. Actually, that's a lie, these pillows are from FOREVER21, but to be fair, they are not the best quality. Very pretty. It's a rose gold copper-esque mirror, and I think it's darling, and I think it would be cute in like a hallway. Now moving on to Ulta, I actually got a couple like skincare, hair care products because I've been really riding that train lately. So I got this. This was so cute. This is the red wine inspired repairing 10-in-1 leave-in spray, non-tipsy formula. This was like $7, and it claims to repair breakage, mend split ends, strengthen, eliminate frizz, condition, detangle, nourish, smooth, shine, thermal protection. And y'all know that I've been trying to fix my hair lately, so I'm definitely looking forward to this, and it's cute, and it actually smells really good. It smells very good. And y'all know that I'm into masks and stuff if you watched my how to get rid of acne video. So I actually been meaning to get these. I've been seeing these on Pinterest a lot, and they're only $4.99. So I wanted to get this clay mask. It's a Rejuvenating Cucumber and Pink Soft by Freeman. It's a 10-minute mask, and I'm gonna see how this is gonna go. It's very cute, and I've only been hearing good things from Pinterest. Everyone's saying to get a bunch of their masks, so I got it, and it's a lot for like $4. I know a lot of masks that come with very little for more money, so this is exciting. Oh, actually, I got a random thing from like Wish because I've been into that lately. Don't hate me. I actually got this for $4, and I thought this was so cute. I mean, they're like cute. I don't know how I'm gonna wear them, where I'm gonna wear them, but they're pretty cute, and they didn't break on the way here, so that's nice. They were like $2. Cute. You could just see the ring light. Okay. Anyway. And I also got this really cute moisturizer from Korean skincare store. This is the Snow Cream Whip Gel Moisturizer. So I got this Snow Cream Whip Gel Moisturizer, and I actually used it already a little bit, and it feels so cold and so nice, and I'm actually really loving this because for a girl that hates summer and sweats a lot and loves winter, this is really helping me bring back some of that winter spirit. So it really actually helps me with moisturizing a lot. And from Marshalls, I got this little Polaroid thing for like $3 because it's cute, and I was convinced. So that's heckin' cute. Made a kind of big purchase from Marshalls. I bought a bag. No wait, I actually got this from TJ Maxx. I bought this beautiful, beautiful bag. I think it's so cute. It's so, I love the color. Like, the flowers are just adorable, and it zips up all the way. And oh, it has 2 different zipping compartments. Ooh, and it has a long strap, and a sis loves a long strap. So, and it fits my laptop, and it's cute. I got it for $30. Isn't this adorable? La Terre Fashion. Okay, and the last product that I got was surprising to find at Marshall's. They are Adidas shoes, and I've never really bought in expensive sneakers. If y'all know me, I shop at Payless because Payless knows where it's at. But I actually bought these, and I bought them for like 30 or 40, which is cheap for Adidas, and I actually really like them. I thought they were like a nice girly Adidas. But look at these sneakers, aren't they so cute? And they have like different color straps, and I thought they were just so precious. Like, they're so light. Look at the Adidas on the back. It's just, I'm definitely gonna get them dirty, but at least I didn't pay full price. But yeah, I just thought these were so cute. And I've been working for an internship, and I got some concealer, which is the Perfect Touch Camouflage Cream Concealer. So that is here. I just want to add that in. Apparently it claims to cover anything and everything, and it's waterproof, so I'm excited. It's by Smart Cover Cosmetics, so I'm really excited for that. That was everything. Wow, that actually was a lot. I didn't think it would be a lot, but it was. Thank you guys for watching. Me and my plants will stay here, and I didn't even know where I was going with that. So subscribe to Me and My Plants, and we will see you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. This is my baby. I'm picking up my baby. Wait, I'm in love. That is my outfit. I kind of look like an explorer though. Hey guys, it's me, Jennifer-Biana, and I have a really great video today, and I'm going to talk about Poshmark and fashion and closets and all that jazz. So make sure to subscribe to my channel and like, comment, and all that jazz, and let me know